Have you ever tried to apply your eyeliner and ended up rage quitting? Or you're just looking to improve your technique? Don't worry, I've got you an easy step-to-step guide to flawless eyeliner application. Interested? Good, let's jump right in. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to a new series. For the purpose of this tutorial, I have pre-applied my base as I usually do before doing my eyeliner, but of course you can choose to do your eyes first, depends on your personal preference and your makeup routine. For today's tutorial, we will use my favorite eyeliner to demonstrate this technique. That would be the NYX Epic Ink liner in the shade Black. Step 1. Align the eyeliner, or brush for that matter, to connect your nose, the outer corner of your eye, and your brow wing. This is just to give you a visual on where the wing should be applied. Step 2. Gently trace your wing line on the same position where the brush was aligned earlier. Step 3. Gently trace a line from the outer point of your wing and across your lid whilst getting closer to the lash line. Step 4. Fill in with eyeliner where needed and apply finishing touches. If you want your wing sharper, you can flick it further. This flick can go very bad, very fast, so make sure you are using a very light hand. And voila! Easy peasy winged liner. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and join us on Instagram at Ammunition. Also let us know your opinion on today's video in the comments down below. Until next time, thanks for watching.